Hi there. I would like to explain to you a little bit about how we can keep ourselves healthy and balanced by making sounds. So we do not just have this physical body, we have an energetic, an emotional, spiritual body. But the thing I want to talk to you about today are the chakras. So chakras are energy centra in your body. The 7 main ones that start right at the bottom at your seat, go all the way up to the crown of your head, and they have the colors of the rainbow. Did you know you have a rainbow inside of you? Isn't that cool? So these energy centra, the first one is the root chakra. That one is red, and it's all about feeling safe and feeling supported. And there's many different ways to tone these chakras, but we're going to use a syllable, some syllables from India that are used for this. And the syllable that belongs to this chakra is Lam. Then we have the second chakra, the sacral chakra, which is just underneath the belly button. This one is orange, and it has to do with emotions and pleasure and creativity. The sound that goes with that is Vam. Then we have the solar plexus, and this one is yellow, and it has to do with trust in yourself, trust in life, with self-esteem. And the sound with that is Ram. Then we have the heart. The heart obviously is about giving and receiving love. And the color is green, and the sound is Yam. Then we have the throat, which is about expression and communication. And the color is blue. And the sound is hum. That goes with that. Then we have the third eye, which is about our intuition, about clear seeing. You know, sometimes if you close your eyes and you concentrate, you might see images in your mind's eye, as we call it. And then we have the crown chakra, which is all about your inner knowing and your connection with your higher self. And your higher self is kind of like the person who plays the computer game, and that will make you the character in the game. So this body is the character in the game, and the higher self is steering us in this game of life that we are playing. So the sound, or actually with that comes silence, because if you can't be silent, you can't listen to your higher self, can you? So, do you want to join me in making these sounds? I have my Shruti box here, which is an instrument from India, just so I don't have to sing on my own. Now, a lot of grown-ups think that they have to have a beautiful singing voice to make sound. So they often don't want to make sound because they're afraid they're not going to sound very nice. But no matter what you sound like, whether you have a beautiful singing voice or not, you are your own best sound healing instrument. So it's not necessary to sound nice at all. We're just going to make sound so we can express ourselves and balance the chakras and just feel balanced and good afterwards. You going to join me? First is Lam. We'll do each one 3 times to start. Lam, Lam, Lam. Then the sacral chakra is Vam. plexus is ram, 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 ram. The heart is yam, 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 yam. let's just sit in silence and see how that feels in our bodies. Now, you can obviously do this much longer if you like, but I'm really curious how it made you feel. So, if you can, let me know. Bye bye.